Welcome students to our next chapter, that is chapter 3, addition. Previously we have learned about 2-digit and 3-digit addition. We have learned how to add a 3-digit number to a 3-digit number, how to add a 3-digit number to a 2-digit number with carrying and without carrying. In this chapter, we will learn about addition of 4-digit number to a 4-digit number and addition of 5-digit number to a 5-digit number with carrying and without carrying. With this, we will be learning about few properties of addition. When we are adding any numbers, the numbers are called as addends and the result that we will get is called as sum. For example, here I am adding 349 and 379. So this 349 and 379 are my addends and the result that I will get, that is 728, is my result or sum. Exercise 3.1 is a quick recap of what we have learned in our previous year. This one you have to do in your book with the help of pencil. This I will not explain you in details. 467 plus 41. 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 carried 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. 609 plus 12. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carried 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then 6 will come down. 170 plus 715. 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 500 plus 285. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 8, 8. 5 plus 2, 7. Now, bit number E, 532 plus 346. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. Bit number F, 305 plus 144. 5 plus 4, 9. 0 plus 4, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Bit number G, 578 plus 238. 8 plus 8, 16. 6 carried 1. 7 plus 3, 10. Plus 1, 11. 1 carried 1. So 5 plus 2, 7. Plus 1, 8. Bit number H, 575 plus 249. 5 plus 9, 14. 4 carried 1. 7 plus 4, 11. Plus 1, 12. 2 carried 1. 5 plus 2, 7. Plus 1, 8. Bit number I, 360 plus 279. 0 plus 9, 9. 6 plus 7, 13. 3 carried 1. 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 1, 6. Bit number J, bit number K and bit number L that you have to do by yourself. Then you come here to check the answer without taking anyone's help. Adding a 4-digit number to a 4-digit number without carrying. So, for example, bit number 1, we have to add 4,324 and 2,163. For our better, we will be first putting the numbers in the place value chart. See, I have put it in the place value chart. Now we will add. First we will go to the ones place. Now in the ones place there we have to add 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Then we will come to the tens place. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Then we will go to the hundred place. 3 plus 1, 4. Then we will go to thousand place. 4 plus 2 is 6. So our answer is 6,487. Next one, adding a 4-digit number to 4-digit number with carrying. Same way we have to add 3679 and 2948. So first we will put it in the place value chart. Then we will go to the ones place. In ones place there is 9 and 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 7 carried 1. 1 in the red ink shows it is carried over to tens. So 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1 is 12. So 2 carried 1. Again we have to add 6 and 9, that is 15 plus 1 16 carried 1. In the thousand place 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 over here is 6. So our answer is 6627. Now exercise 3.2. This one also you have to do in your book. Bit number A. 2408 plus 4371. So ones place there is 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then tens place 0 plus 7 is 7. Then hundred place 4 plus 3 is 7. Then thousand place 2 plus 4 6. So our answer is 6779. Bit B. 2143 plus 4616. 6 plus 3 9. 4 plus 1 5. 6 plus 1 7. 2 plus 4 6. Then bit number C. 2174 plus 3823. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. 1 plus 8 9. 2 plus 3 5. Bit number D, you have to do it in the same way. Bit number E. 2178 plus 3892. 8 plus 2 10. 0 carried 1. 7 plus 9 16 plus 1 17. 7 carried 1. So to the hundred place there is 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 9 plus 1 10. 0 carried 1. So 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. Bit number F. 7514 plus 2997. 4 plus 7 11. 1 carried 1. 1 plus 9 10 plus 1 11. 1 carried 1. So 5 plus 9 14 plus 1 15. 5 carried 1. 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. Bit number G. 3619 plus 2798 plus 1387. 9 plus 8 17 plus 7 24. 4 carried 2. 1 plus 9 10 plus 2 12 plus 8 20. 0 carried 2. 2 plus 6 8 plus 7 15 plus 3 18 carried 1. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. So rest of the sum you can do it that way. See, I have done, and R, S and T, these three sums you have to do it by yourself without taking anyone's help. Now adding a 5-digit number to a 5-digit number without carrying. So here we have to add 63,211 with 23,222. So at first I have told you, first we have to arrange it in the place value chart. So I have arranged. Now we will come to the ones place. So in the ones place there is 1 plus 2 3. Then tens place 1 plus 2 3. Hundred place 2 plus 2 4. Thousand place 3 plus 3 6. And in the 10,000 place 6 plus 2 8. So our answer is 86,433. Now exercise 3.3, you have to do it in your book. So bit number A, 25,194 plus 16,298 plus 32,943. Now we will come to the ones place. There is 4 plus 8 plus 3. So 4 plus 8 plus 3 is 15. 5 carried 1 to the thousand place. So thousand place we are having 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, that is 23. So 3 carried 2 to the hundred place. So 100 place we are having 1 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2, that is 14. 4 carried 1. So 1000 place we are having 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1, that is 14. 4 carried 1 to the 10,000 place, that is 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1, that is 7. So answer is 74,435. Bit B, 17,892 plus 32,196 plus 17,838. So now we will come to the ones place. We are having 2 plus 6 plus 8. So that is 16. 6 carried 1. So tens place we are having 9 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1, that is 22. So 2 carried 2 to the hundred place. Hundred place we are having 8 plus 1 plus 8 plus 2, that is 19. 9 carried 1. 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1. So we are having 17. 7 carried 1. 10,000 place 1 plus 1 plus 3, that is 6. So answer will be 67,926. So bit number C, 26,954 plus 21,523 plus 20,196. So in the ones place we are having 4 plus 3 plus 6. So that is 13. 3 carried 1. 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 plus 9 17. 7 carried 1. So 9 plus 1 10 plus 5 15 plus 1 16. 6 carried 1. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Answer is 68,673. Bit number D, bit number E, F, you can see I have done it for you, and G, H, I, J, this four sum you have to do it by yourself without taking anyone's help. Next, here we will be learning about few properties of addition. The first property is called as order property. Here what happens? If we will change the order of the numbers, the result or the sum of the numbers will remain 7. For a small example, if we are taking 5 plus 2, that is answer is 7. So if we will change the order, it will become 2 plus 5. So the answer for 5 plus 2 and answer for 2 plus 5 is same, that is 7. Here one example I have taken for you. 2,475 plus 4,786. The answer will be 7,261. If we will change the order, that is 4,786 and 2,475, we have changed the order, still the answer is adding a 5-digit number to 5-digit with carrying. So here we have to add 26,738 plus 17,792 plus 18,724. I have told you, first we have to arrange it in the place value chart. Here I have done. Then we will go to the ones place. In ones place there are 3 numbers, 8, 2 and 4. We have to add it we will get 14. So 4 carried 1 to the 10th place. So 10th place we are having 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15. 5 carried 1 to the 100th place. So 100th place we are having 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 1, that is your 22. 2 carried 2 to the 1000th place. So 1000th place we are having 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 2, that is your 23. So 3 carried 2 to the 10,000th place. So 10,000th place we are having 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 6. Same. Second property is, that is property of addition. When we will add 0 to any number, the answer will, or the result will be the same number or the number itself. For example, 5 plus 0 is 5, 10 plus 0 is 10. Any number we will add with 0, the result will be the number itself. Exercise 3.4. This one also you have to do in your book. Bit number 1. This you have to add in respect to the properties of addition. So 3423 plus 1736. The answer will be dash plus 3423. Here I have told you, here we will be putting the order property. So first one will be 1736. Bit number 2. 43,025 plus 1,637 plus 1,214. Answer will be 1,214 plus dash and dash. Answer will be 4,325 plus 1,637. Bit number C. 1,793 plus 16,093 is equal to dash. Answer will be 16,093 plus 1,793. Bit number D. Here we will be using the 0 property of addition. So 91,483 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 91,483. Now E, F, G you do by yourself. Now bit number H. There is one small printing mistake. You can see in your book, inside the bracket the number is printed as 1432. So you put 1 over there. So you can get the answer 1892. Exercise 3.5, bit number 2. Question number 2, you have to do it in your copy. So first question is, add 42,601 and 6,212. So at first I have told you, you will write in this way. First you have to put it in your place value chart. Then put the numbers, then add. So first we will come to the ones place. There is 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 10th place 0 plus 1 is 1. So 100th place 6 plus 2 is 8. 1000 place 2 plus 6 is 8. So 10,000 plus 4 will come down. Answer will be 48,813. Bit number B. 42,163 and 31,562. As usual, we have to first put it in the place value chart. Now we will go to the ones place. 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 6 12, 2 carried 1. So 1 you mention here 1. So 100 place we are getting 1 plus 5 plus 1. So answer will be 7. 1000 place 2 plus 1 is 3. 10,000 place 4 plus 3 is 7. Bit number C you have to do by yourself. Bit number D. 17,132 plus 16,149 plus 16,138. So first we have to add it in the, put it in the place value chart. So ones place we are having 2 plus 9 plus 8, that is 99 carried 1. So in 10th place we are having 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1, that is 11. 1 carried 1. 100 place we are having 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. So 1000 place we are having 7 plus 6 plus 6, that is 19. 9 carried 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 4. Answer is 49,419. Bit number E. 11,248 plus 17,989 plus 15,162. So arrange it in the place value chart. Then in the ones place we will get 8 plus 9 plus 2, that is 19. 9 carried 1. So 10 place we will get 4 plus 1 plus 8 plus 6, that is 19. 9 carried 1. So 100 place 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1, 13. 3 carried 1. 1000 place 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1, that is 14. 4 carried 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, answer is 4. So bit number F you will do by yourself. Exercise 3.5. This one also you have to do it in your copy. So you will no need to write the answer, as in word problems we have to do only answer. We don't used to write questions. Remember, whenever you are getting word problems you will write only answer. Bit number A. You have to add 50,217 and 16,112 and 11,491. So at first we will write the number in words, and this side we will write the number the numeral form. So first we will put that place value chart. So 50,217, it is written in your place value chart. Then 16,112, same way it is written in the numeral form. Then bit 11,491, it is written in your numeral form. Now we will come to the ones place. 7 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. 0 carried 1. So 10 place we are getting 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1, 12. 2 carried 1. 100 place 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, 8. 1000 place 6 plus 1, 7. 10,000 place 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. So answer is 77,820. You have to write it in word. Bit number B. Same way, this side you have to write the numeral form, then only you can add. 21,364. So I have arranged it. Then next one, 70,113. I have arranged it. Then 9,609. Now come to the ones place. 4 plus 3 plus 9, 16. 6 carried 1. Tens place 6 plus 1 plus 1, 8. 100 place 3 plus 1 plus 6, 10. 0 carried 1. 1000 place 1 plus 9 plus 1, 11. 1 carried 1. 2 plus 7 plus 1, 10. So answer will be 1,01,068. Question number C and D I have done for you, and question number E you have to do it by yourself. The word problems. Again, word problem you have to write only answers, no need to write down the questions. Question 2. 15,628 people went to see a fair on Saturday and 20,516 went on Sunday. How many people went to see this fair? So you will first write people went to see a fair on Saturday 15,628 and on Sunday 20,516. So total people how much went? You have to add the number. I have done it for you. Then question number 3. Shivam has some amount of money and his father gave him some amount. So now you have to find out how much money he has. We have to add this thing. How much money Shivam is having and how much his father gave him. So you will write as Shivam has the amount of money and his father gave. Then total, both the amounts you will get 21,033. Question number 4. A lorry contains 3,756 bamboo sticks and another lorry contains 3,278 bamboo sticks. So now we have to find out the total number of bamboo sticks. So bamboo sticks in the first lorry 3,756, in the second lorry 3,278. Now we have to find out the total by adding both the numbers. Question number 5. So in a factory there are 17,616 male laborers and 13,612 female laborers. So we have to find out how many total laborers are there. So find out how many total laborers are there, we have to add it. So in a factory, number of male labor 16,616 and female labor 13,616. So total laborers 31,228. Question number 6. In a city there are 3 schools. In school A there are 6,189 students. In school B there are 10,161 and in school C 3,196. So total students, we have to add all the 3 numbers and we will get total students in 3 schools are 19,546. Question number 7. Mr. Gupta brought a television for 9,368, a refrigerator for 10,162, a washing machine for 7,168. So how much money he spent in total? So total, to find out how much money he have spent, so we have to add all the 3 sums and we will get how much money he have spent, that is 26,698. Question number 8. In a public library there are 1,732 books in Hindi and 3,216 are in English. How many books are there in the library? So we have to write in a public library, number of Hindi books 1,732, number of English book 3,216, and we have to add both the numbers to find out the total books in the library. Question number 9. In a village there are 16,091 male and 13,219 female, whereas 9,216 are children. So we have to find out the total population of the village by adding the 3 numbers. We will get 38,526. So question number 10. In a godown there are 5,437 bags of wheat and 3,219 bags of rice. How many bags are there altogether? So in the godown, number of wheat bags 5,437, number of rice bags 3,219, total 8,656 bags are there. Question number. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it.